Crawl, my boy. Get your doddy. No. No shouting. Safe. Come. Get your doddy. Crawl, my boy. Come, you gotta learn to crawl at some stage. See? Okay, come. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Get your doddy. You're getting there, you're getting there. Come on, little bit more. No. Come, little bit more. Look, you're nearly there. You're nearly there. Come. Come, you're nearly there. Safe. Hey. Come, turn you over. Oh, okay, yeah. There. Take your fingers out. Ay. There we go. That's all that you wanted, my boy. You need to learn to crawl, you know. You have to learn to crawl at some point. Hey? Hey, poops. Is that frustrating? Oh, try again some other time.